Okay, so fill in some of the basic stats for the sine function, where x is defined on a set of real numbers and expressed in degrees. The domain, I've got this thing sketched up here, so hopefully you do as well. The sine function never stops. To the right, it keeps going forever. To the left, it keeps going forever. And so, as far as x values go, it covers the entire x-axis. X can be any element of the real numbers. For range, sine is very restricted, actually. The highest that sine ever gets is 1, and the lowest it ever gets is -1. It spends all eternity just bouncing back and forth between 1 and -1. So for range, we have y can be any real number, but, y is always between -1 and 1. X-intercepts. Well, it has a lot. It has -360 and -180 and 0 and 180 and 360 and 540 and 720 and 900 and 1080 and 1260 and so on for all eternity. There's got to be a better way to do it than that. Is there a more succinct way to say all these x-intercepts? 180, 2 times 180, 3 times 180. It's every integer multiple of 180 degrees. Integer because we can go in the negative direction as well. So the x-intercepts, instead of writing an incredibly long list, the cleanest way to do it is to say x equals 180 degrees times n, and n is any integer. That means you can do 180 times 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or anything like that, and every one of those will be an x-intercept. And for y-intercept, it's actually very simple. The sine function starts at the origin, so its y-intercept is at 0, and it never revisits the y-axis again. So, y-intercept 0, done.